Hello, teacher.
Wow, we're all
Wow, we're
wearing
all
black
wearing black.
and then black
Black.
tonight.
I like that. Mm.
Oh, yours.
Oh, you're oh,
Can you hear me, honey?
Yes.
Okay, so
okay.
did
So
you
did
receive
you
the
receive the
result?
result?
Yes, I see.
Yes,
Yes,
okay. Good
okay.
job
Good
for
job for
that,
that.
Holly. Okay.
Okay.
So,
So
are you
are
ready
you ready
for
for
Unit
unit
4?
4?
Oh, wait a
Oh,
wait.
wait a wait.
I can hear
I can hear
myself.
myself.
Can you please lower
Please
your
lower your
speaker?
speaker.
Yes, it's not really clearly.
My
My
voice?
voice.
Yes.
How about
How
now?
about now?
Okay, it's better.
Okay, can you
Okay.
please
Can you
lower
please
your
lower your
speaker?
speaker?
Because
What?
every because every
Because
time
every
I
time I
talk, I can
talk, I can
my
my
voice.
voice.
Okay.
Is it
Is
better?
it better?
Yes.
Okay, I can
Okay. I
still
can still
hear my
hear my
voice.
voice.
Mm.
Is it okay
Is it
now?
okay now?
Yes.
Can you
Can
open
you
your
open your
camera?
camera?
I
My
don't
I
know,
don't
voice.
but
know.
like my camera is still like it's like some has something wrong.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
that's right.
I can still hear my voice. I think it's okay if I can hear, but I get distracted because I can hear my voice. But now it's okay now. I can't hear in my voice
Okay.
anymore. All right. So here we are going to tackle vocabulary and word skills. Okay. All right. So that is it. We're here. We're going to talk about weather, temperature, natural disasters, climate change, and phrasal verbs. So when we say weather, that's what is um what is our atmosphere look like, right? Is it sunny? Is it humid? Right? So let's talk about weather first, Holly. What's the weather like in your country right now?
Today is warm,
Hmm.
not
But
really hot.
not so warm because
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me fix that.
Okay.
okay. All right. So here it's so hot. Okay. So hot, still so hot because there's no rain for 1 week,
Oh.
which is good because my internet is fine. But
Mm.
it's so
I don't
hot.
know, but I hate rain.
You hate rain?
Yes, because it's dirty.
Yes, it is. It is. It's dirty. And especially in your country, which is not like my country, right? Because your
Yes.
country, maybe if I don't know, maybe, just maybe, if
Mhm.
I will go to your country, I find it very cold. Because here in my country, it's always hot in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Plus, when it will rain, of course, it's very muddy, I guess. Okay, let's do the weather quiz. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what shape is a raindrop? It starts falling.
I think it's C.
See, when it starts falling. Okay, so your answer is C. Number two. Actually, it's letter B. Letter A.
Um, thunder.
What makes the sound of the thunder?
I don't know what is thunder.
Thunder, I think I'm gonna show you. When I say thunder, when there's a rain, like there's a big bang when there's a rain.
Ah, okay, I know.
You know that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you
Uh,
think?
I think it's lightning.
Because of the lightning? Actually, you're right. It's because of the lightning.
Yeah.
Uh, because at first there's a lightning, right? The when you see like a s- quick splash of light, right?
Yeah.
And after that is the thunder. Okay, you see lightning and then hear thunder 6 seconds later. How far away is the storm?
Yeah.
Oh,
Storm.
here you see lightning and then you hear a thunder. 6 seconds. Oh, that's
Yes.
so. What is your answer? 2 kilometer, 3 or 6?
Um. Uh. I think it's about the. I'm not sure about that.
Okay, let's go. That's correct. Because 6 seconds is that is so quick, right? It must be so near. Next, you will only get foggy when the air is cold, it's rainy, or you are near the ocean. Are you
Oh,
familiar with foggy?
uh. For the.
Mhm.
It's like I know. I think it's I.
Yes, absolutely right. Because of the A. Yes, when the air is so cold. I think this always happen in your country, Holly. Especially
Yes. It has
winter.
so much. Yeah.
Okay, let's go to number 5. You only get hail when it's windy, storm clouds, or there's no sunshine.
Uh. I think it's B.
Mhm. Okay, let's see. That is correct. When we say hail, that is a small raindrops, right? But it's not rain, but small raindrops of water or rain. Next, in what direction does an east wind blow? Is it toward the east or toward the west?
Um.
This tricky to
I think it's B.
be toward the west. All right. So what is the maximum time a snowflake takes to reach the ground?
Uh.
Snowflake.
I think D.
And
I'm not sure about that.
that's actually correct. Because
Uh-huh.
it's the sky, right? It's gonna be and
Yes.
snowflakes are not heavy. They're so light.
Yes.
When you are facing a rainbow, the sun is always,
Um. Here B.
yeah, when you're facing a rainbow.
What? I can hear you clearly.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me adjust my audio. Hello?
Yes.
Oh my God, wait a minute. How about now?
Okay. Okay. It's better.
Okay. So when you are facing a rainbow, the sun is always
In front of you.
in front of you. Actually, it's behind you. So you're
Uh.
facing the rainbow. This is the rainbow here you're facing. Also, here is the sun behind you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we learned a lot this time. Now, which of the information here that you are
Um.
like it's the first time for you to know about this?
I think it is number 3.
Number 3, you get foggy. Ah, yes. You're right. Okay, so you
Mhm.
know now. When there's a
Yeah.
when the thunder is like lightning and the thunder, you know where is the storm far or near, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to task 2. This time you are going to complete the table. Can you see? Noun without answer, adjective cloudy, verb, there's no cloud verb, right?
Yeah.
Related words, rain cloud. Okay,
Yeah.
you can choose your answer here.
Uh,
Actually, this is a pattern. What do you notice about the way these are formed? This is a pattern. Look at the adjective. Always ends with Y, right?
yeah.
When you see the black here, that means nothing. Okay?
Okay.
You're gonna answer one, two, three, four, five. All right?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Uh, uh, like underline in the
You can write it, please, because it's gonna be confusing if we underline only. What is adjective is cloudy, and the noun form of cloudy is
uh, it's cloudy.
the noun form of cloudy.
A cloud.
Yes, cloud. Okay. If you can answer number one, so that means one, two, three, three, four.
Uh, do
Mhm.
it in verb or in noun?
Noun. Here, here. Look, can you see this one? This blank here and with a number. Okay, it's in the noun column, right? So you
Yeah.
write the noun of the word of the adjective cloudy. So noun for it. This one, fog. So here, noun fog is a noun, right? Sorry. Let
Yeah.
me just write it again. Cloud. So we are going to find the adjective of fog. Okay, just like that.
Okay.
And number 2, related words and phrases
Oh,
of cloud. Does it happen to you sometimes, Haley? Sometimes this part of my eyes is kind of painful. Wait a minute, let me close the window, okay?
okay.
Maybe it's because of the light. It's so painful, my eyes. Okay, I think that is better. The pain. Yes, you got it.
Okay.
Okay, so you forgot the answer number two,
Where's number two?
are related words and phrases from the first here.
Ah, uh, it's like where's the verb of number two?
Number two.
Because I'm not really understand.
Okay, so number
Yeah.
two, that is an example on the rain clouds, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you give me another related words? Just like rain cloud. Any related words for
Randar?
any related words of cloud?
Storm clouds.
Mm, yes.
Right in there.
Okay, you got it. All right, so let's go. Your answer here is cloud. That is correct. Actually, that is cloud. Okay, storm clouds. And you see, fog, foggy. And then number four is hail. The same with the verb hail. Number five, lightning. Number six, rain, rainy, and raindrop. Very nice. Number nine, snowflake. Correct. 10, storm. Okay, perfect answer.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Very good, Holly. So every noun there are adjectives, right? There are also a noun without adjectives, which are hail, lightning, right?
Yeah.
These two nouns have no adjectives. And also lightning, there's no verb in lightning, but in hail there is a verb.
Yeah.
Storm as well, and shower.
Sh- sure.
Yes. Okay, so wind day. Alright, so that is it. Okay, any questions about this task?
No, I don't.
Okay. Now, it's also a good vocabulary skills to know the adjective of every noun, right? Because in our sentence, we sometimes put adjectives, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go. I think you know this already. Frog, cloud, foggy, and frost. When we say frost, that means like it's gonna be so cold.
Okay.
Like the air is so cold. There's gonna like winter, right?
Yeah.
There are lots I there are the trees are icy. So does Vietnam face frost before or now?
In Vietnam, we don't have winter. It's like we don't have snow, so
There's no snow.
there's no snow, so I think no.
Oh, I see. Because in other country they experience frost, right? We can
Yeah.
see uh we can see ice in the trees, right?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be so cold in that country, especially Canada. Canada is
Yeah.
one of the coldest country. And
Yeah.
next is hail. Can you see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like a small particle of ice. That is ice. Look, ice or frost. I think
Yeah.
this is like a storm, right? Because this gonna look at the picture. This is not a good look at the cars. They are not in good condition. I think after this storm,
Yes.
they're gonna be work again, right? Look at them. Okay, next is lightning. As you can see, lightning is a big splash, right? Quick
Yes.
splash, but also dangerous. There
Yes.
also, I heard in a news bulletin about someone caught a lightning.
Yes.
Yeah, that is so, I don't know. Goodness. Next is
Mist.
mist. Yes, it's gonna be foggy. It is foggy, but it's
Like another name.
another name. And also, it's different from foggy because foggy, when you can see, it's all white, right? In mist, there's some
Mm.
white. Yes, it is white, but when it comes to like, it's not because foggy. It's gonna be like 2 hours. And mist is like this happened because of the atmosphere.
Yeah.
Because in other country, it's hard to have a sunlight, especially in Canada. So
Um.
yes, so sometimes there's always gonna be mist in some places, like in the forest, in a lake in that country. So that is
Yeah.
because fog is only the air. Because of the air, right? It becomes foggy because the air is cold, right?
Yes.
Here, the air is cold and it becomes like that because of the sun is absent. Okay.
Okay.
Next is rain. Of course, we know that one. And
Yeah.
shower. Look, a large, a large, like it's gonna be like from the sun, from the sky, right?
Yeah.
Next is no, we know that storm. We also know that storm. Here in my country, we experience a lot of storm than your country, by the way, Holly. And also,
Um.
it's devastating because most now, last time there's a storm, right? You heard that one.
Yeah.
There are lots of people who lost their houses. I showed you the picture, right?
Yes.
Yes, but I don't know. I don't know what happened to our country. Why there's lots of storm going to our country. Next is the sun. Of course, we know what
um.
sun is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, next is thunder. It's like when you what you hear when after the lightning. Uh,
Mm.
if there's no thunder, I think we're not afraid of lightning, right? Because light is a quick splash only, right? What
Yes.
is scary is the thunder because it's like very big sound. I don't know why. I don't know why there's a
Mm.
thunder. Do you know why? I think it's in a science class.
Yes. Maybe.
Yes, because I don't know why there's a thunder after the lightning. And what makes it sound so sound so big, right? The sound is frightening. It's like it's near to us.
Yeah.
I don't know why. Next is the wind. Of course, we know that.
Yeah.
Now, here in my country, it's windy especially when you go to the village. Um, it's windy. Even though it's always like summer for me, in my point of view, it's always summer here. Even though it's like say it's spring, it's autumn, it still feels summer for me.
Yeah.
But because I can feel that it's spring or autumn because of the rain and because of the wind. But still the same, it's still hot.
Yes. It's still.
Yes. Okay, next, let's go. Here, still here, can you see? Ask and answer the question. Okay, use the word and phrases from task 2 and the words below. Okay, I want you to describe the temperature. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 below. Okay, what is the weather like today?
Uh, describe them.
Yes, we're going to describe the temperature, okay? Now, to describe a temperature, we can say it's minus 10 or it's 35 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Celsius like that.
Okay.
And
Um.
below zero, it's gonna be freezing cold, mild, sweltering, okay?
Okay. Um. It's uh freezing.
It's freezing. How many degrees?
Um. It's 35.
Below 35, minus 35, I guess.
It's below zero.
Point 035, I see. Okay. Because here it's 29, positive 29, I guess. Wait a minute. I have a temperature here, 29 degrees Celsius, which is partly sunny. When we
Mm,
say partly sunny, there is a small cloud, which is right. Small
okay.
cloud, and there's a sun. 29 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's go. What is usually like in December? What is it usually like in December, Holly?
I think it's cold.
It's
Yeah.
cold. Just cold, not freezing. Not
No.
freezing.
I think so. No, it's just cold.
Okay, is there is a season in your country which is windy too during spring or during autumn?
What you can
A
say?
season in your country which it is windy
Windy. Windy often in autumn. Yes.
in autumn, I see.
Yeah.
It's
Or
like
in summer
ours.
sometimes.
Like ours here, it's windy when it's autumn. Okay,
Yeah.
now what is it usually like in August?
Um, I like August because it's not really hot in this month.
Not, it's not so hot, it's not so cold as well.
Yes, it's not it's better than six sun June.
So in August, what season is it? Autumn?
Uh yes.
So it's not, oh, so the weather is nice in this month.
Yeah.
Nicer than December, right? Especially in living in the north area of your country, right? December is gonna be
Yeah.
so cold. Next is, do you prefer rainy, snowy, or icy weather?
Mm, I prefer snowy. I
Mhm.
think it's it's not like colder than icy. And
Okay.
I hate rain.
Yes, you told me that already. You hate rain.
Yeah.
It's gonna be wet and cold,
Yes,
right?
and wet.
And snowy is just cold, right? You can't
Yeah.
you can go out and play when it's snowy, especially when
Yes.
you're already numb to the cold.
Yeah.
Okay, so thanks for that, Halle. Now look at this picture. There are three picture here. One, A, B, and C. Okay, there are five weather reports. I want you to match three of them with the photos, okay?
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. Let's go.
Unit 4, Lesson 4A, Exercises 4 and 5. 1.
It's minus 10 degrees Celsius and there's a lot of ice everywhere. On cars, on trees, on houses. The ice is 10 centimeters thick in some places. In a strange way, it's beautiful to look at, but icy roads are dangerous for drivers and pedestrians. And there are many homes in the area without electricity. We're expecting a little snow this afternoon.
2.
There is some snow on the ground, and already it's impossible to see more than a few meters ahead. There isn't any fog, but the wind is blowing the snow into my face. It's difficult just to open my eyes. It's very cold, it's very windy, and this reporter is very glad to be going inside now.
3.
It's early in the morning, just after 6 o'clock. There's a little frost on the grass after a cold night, but it's sunny and temperatures are starting to rise, so it won't be frosty for long. There aren't many clouds in the sky, so I don't think any rain is on the way. But, of course, conditions can change quickly.
4.
For residents of this town, it's another cold, grey winter day. Temperatures are around 0, but because of the icy wind, it feels like -5. There's a lot of snow in people's gardens, but the roads are clear now. However, there's a little ice on the pavements, so pedestrians have to be careful. It isn't snowing at the moment, but they say more snow is on the way.
5.
It began this morning. The sky became very cloudy and the air felt stormy. There were a few showers and it was windy too. Everyone knew what was happening, and many people left their homes and went inland, away from the coast. Now there's a lot of rain and the wind is extremely strong. Nobody is outside. It isn't safe.
Okay. Number 1 is C.
Number 1 is C. Okay. All right.
Um,
I told you already, so number 1 is C. I showed you already. Okay, number 2 is A. All right, so that is it. So let's go tackle about a few, a little, not much, not many, and a lot of. Okay.
okay.
Now, can you please read letter A?
We use a few, not many, or a lot of with plural countable nouns. Example, a few thunderstorms. We use a little, not much, or a lot of with uncountable nouns. Example, a little snow.
Okay, so what is the difference of a few, and not many, or a lot of? We can use a lot of either plural, countable, or uncountable nouns, right? We can use anything about a lot of. But a few, we only use a few and not many, and in plural countable nouns, okay? When we
Okay.
say plural countable nouns like thunderstorms, what else?
Uh, like uh, like I give you an example.
Mhm.
Like a lot of homework.
A lot of homework. Very good. Okay, so we use a little, not much. What is the opposite of a few or not many, right? The
Yeah.
opposite of a few is a little, right? And the
Mm,
opposite of not many is not much. In not many we use plural countable, and not much we use uncountable noun, right? A little snow, we cannot count the snow, right? So a
yeah.
little snow, not okay. All right, so let's go. Is it clear to you now, Holly?
Yes.
Again, we use a few, not many, when it comes to plural countable noun. The opposite of it, a little, not much, which is uncountable noun. Okay?
Yeah. Mm,
Here, listen again. Complete the sentence from there with the reports. Are you ready?
okay.
We're going to. It's like a listening, right? Even though it is looking
Unit
for.
4, Lesson 4A, Exercises 4 and 5. 1,
It's minus 10 degrees Celsius and there's a lot of ice everywhere. On cars, on trees, on houses. The ice is 10 centimeters thick in some places. In a strange way, it's beautiful to look at, but icy roads are dangerous for drivers and pedestrians. And there are many homes in the area without electricity. We're expecting a little snow this afternoon.
2,
There is some snow on the ground, and already it's impossible to see more than a few meters ahead. There isn't any fog, but the wind is blowing the snow into my face. It's difficult just to open my eyes. It's very cold, it's very windy, and this reporter is very glad to be going inside now.
3,
It's early in the morning, just after 6 o'clock. There's a little frost on the grass after a cold night, but it's sunny and temperatures are starting to rise, so it won't be frosty for long. There aren't many clouds in the sky, so I don't think any rain is on the way. But of course, conditions can change quickly.
4,
For residents of this town, it's another cold, grey winter day. Temperatures are around 0, but because of the icy wind, it feels like -5. There's a lot of snow in people's gardens, but the roads are clear now. However, there's a little ice on the pavements, so pedestrians have to be careful. It isn't snowing at the moment, but they say more snow is on the way.
5,
It began this morning. The sky became very cloudy and the air felt stormy. There were a few showers and it was windy too. Everyone knew what was happening, and many people left their homes and went inland, away from the coast. Now there's a lot of rain and the wind is extremely strong. Nobody is outside. It isn't safe.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Um, I
Okay, no need to write, just say your answer.
okay. Number number one is a lot of ice.
A lot of ice. Okay, so we use a lot of ice, right?
Yeah.
So we can use a lot of ice, either countable or uncountable noun, right? Okay,
Yeah.
number two,
Number two is a little snow.
a little snow. Snow, snow. What do you think of snow? Is it countable, uncountable noun?
I think is uncountable.
Yes, very good. That's why we cannot say a few snow, right? Because
Yeah.
we only use a few when it's countable, plural countable, right?
Yeah.
Let's go to number 2. There is
Number 2 is some
some
snow.
snow on the
Yeah.
ground. Okay. Number 4,
Any fog?
any fog. There isn't. So here we can use some snow when we can use some when we're not sure how many is it, right? And also we can use some of uncountable noun. So any here we use any when when the sentence is negative. There's isn't, right?
Yeah.
We can use any. Next is number 3.
Um, I I'm not really clear of this.
Okay, so number 6. Any
Um,
guess? Any guess for number 5?
I don't know.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Number 6.
Um, Number 6 is aren't many clouds.
Actually, number 5 is a little frost. There
Okay.
aren't many clouds. Okay. So when do we use many? When?
Uh, it's like a comfortable now.
Yes. Okay, let's go to report 4, number 7.
A lot of snow.
A lot of snow. Very good. And number 8,
Uh, a little ice.
a little ice. Okay. Of course, we can use a little in ice because ice is uncountable, right?
Yes.
So we use a little. Next, number 9,
Few showers.
few showers. All right. Showers.
Sorry, let me adjust my headset because I unplugged my charger.
Yeah.
Accidentally unplug my headset too. Okay, it's all right now. So few showers. Showers. When do we use few again?
What?
When do we use few again? We can use few in a sentence when,
In a countable nouns.
yes, countable nouns. Next, now number 10. Now there's
A lot of rain.
a lot of rain. Okay, very good. All right, that
Mm,
is it. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't.
Okay, so let's go to transcript. So this is the transcript. I want you to read first. Number 1,
It's -10 degrees Celsius, and there's a lot of ice everywhere.
Celsius.
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 Letter C is pronounced as S. Celsius.
Celsius.
Cel. Again, Celsius.
Celsius.
Okay.
On cars, on trees, on houses, their ice is 10 centimeters thick in some places. In a strange way, it's beautiful to look at, but icy roads are dangerous for drivers and pedestrians. And there are many homes in the area without electricity. We are expecting a little snow this afternoon. There's some snow on the ground, and already it's impossible to see more than a few meters ahead. There isn't any fog, but the wind is blowing the snow into my face. It's difficult to just to open my eyes. It's very cold, it's very windy, and this reporter is very glad to be going inside now. It's early in this morning, just after 6 o'clock. There's a little frost on the grass after a cold night, but it's sunny and temperatures are starting to rise. So I won't be frosty for long. There aren't many clouds in the sky, so I don't think any rain is on the way. But of course, conditions can change quickly for residents of This town is another cold, gray winter. Temperatures are around zero, but because of the icy wind, it feels like minus very fine. There's a lot of snowing people gardens, but the roads are clear now. However, there's a little ice on the pavement, so pedestrians have to be careful. It isn't snowing at the moment, but they say more snow is on the way. It began this morning. The sky became very cloudy, and the air felt stormy.
Yes, Ali, what's wrong? Ali, I can't hear you now. Yes, what's wrong? Oh, wait a minute. Hello?
Oh,
You're out of battery again?
yes, again.
Okay. Now don't read it anymore. I notice our time is already over. Okay.
Okay.
Also, you read a lot.
Yes.
Okay, so that is it, Holly. Okay. So I noticed you're really good at vocabulary, especially in the test. I noticed too. Your test,
Yeah.
your vocabulary is one of your strengths. Okay, good job for that. But still, we will tackle vocabulary, okay? Because in the
Okay.
regular test, you need it so much. All right?
Yes.
Okay, so that is it, Holly. Goodbye.
Goodbye.